industry associates. So Nptel also sees value that many industry professionals, working professionals are enrolling to Nptel certification courses and benefiting from it. And it's also that many times the employer wants to formally also engage the employees into the Nptel certification courses. And companies can also help absorb Nptel learners by means of internship and recruitment if they have job openings for them in certain areas, and we can also give them the list of people who have, say, skill sets in those areas. CSR is another area that we work with industry associates, technical talks, leadership talks on the current research and technology that happens. That is something that the companies again do. If there is employee time available, then we do something called mock interviews for our Nptel learners. So there are multiple ways in which we engage with companies all across, and currently we are partnering with 87 companies, and these are called Nptel Industry Associates. Nptel has an MOU with them which kind of outlines all the positive collaborations that are there, and the company can choose to do one or more of that and interact with Nptel. So these are some of the companies that we have MOUs with. You can see that they span the various areas which includes manufacturing, which includes energy like NLC India. There are IT companies like IBM and Infosys, and there are companies also like there are startup companies that are also partnering with us. There is Mahindra and Mahindra, the automotive companies, Tejas Networks is in the electrical field, and so on. So there are companies from various domains that are partnering with Nptel. These are more here for your perusal. So these are companies that we are working with, and they partner with us in various ways like I mentioned earlier.